get a room. The cops called me and said you were almost froze to death and that somebody needed to come pick you up. Joe came and got you. And then I came up there and got you. And brought you here in surprise. So your car is not around the corner. It's in Oregon. So we're going to go to Oregon and get everything taken care of, but you're going to have to give me a couple of weeks. We got it all set up. Okay?
I was going to go walk into town and see what I can get.
What do you mean, see what you can get?
Car.
Okay, I understand you want a car, but Dad, you know the law. You know you have to have a driver's license to have a car.
I have to get one.
Yes. We were going to go to the DMV when we're in Oregon. We tried to get you one here, but we couldn't. So you're going to have to be patient with that. But if you want to go for a walk, by all means, take the fat dog with you.
No, I'll take my shoes on.
Your shoes are already on.
Yeah, because walking.
And you're going to go for a walk?
Yeah.
Just be careful.
Huh?
Just be careful. You have your phones, right?
Yeah, I got a phone.
Now you know you call me if you need me. Get down. Okay?
I need to get my car.
Dad, we're driving to Oregon in a couple of weeks, okay? You're going to have to be a little bit of patience with me, okay? But if you want to go into town, go. Just call me if you need me to come get you. Okay? Town is that way.
Plus, I'm not allowed to just get a new car.
You're not allowed to get a new car?
No. Right.
You gonna get a new car or you're gonna go look for a used car?
I'm going to look for something.
But you know you're gonna need a driver's license to buy a new car, right?
Well, I've done that before. You're gonna need your ID to even get a car. We're gonna get that taken care of when we get to Oregon. Okay? I can't be doing this all the time. Bullshit.